Like, I want to do something very different. Here's my vision. There's probably a way that you could make money doing really meaningful work that's impactful to communities and is good design at the same time. Development really follows a lot of formulas, and most development is formulaic. It's easy to repeat, easy to finance, but the outcomes aren't really there for the communities that we're serving. And is it really what long-term we want our cities to be? So we've been lucky that we have been working with some more community-minded developers that really want to break the paradigm. And it ended up being totally transformative project where the part of the street we're in, which was very sad and a bit forlorn, has now become a really dynamic little food scene, little creative scene. Everything's an experiment. You don't know if it's going to work or not, but we're really trying out different ideas. We do something called a rumble, where we bring in speakers that come in and then do lunch, and it's always a local business. Again, our community experience coordinator is so connected. He'll bring in a local brewer or a local restaurant to come in with food. So we're really building that connectivity to the community in any way we can. And I think it really pays off. Let's face it, architects are trained to think about the building as an object and stop there. If you look at traditional architectural photography, this is something I struggle with so much. There's never any people in it. There might not even be furniture in it. They'll take a picture of a house and no one looks like they could live in it because there's nothing human in it. And that's how architects have been trained. I think it's wrong. I think we have to put people at the center of it. Once you build it, you have to manage it. So place management becomes so critical because it needs to be tended to. It needs to be activated. People need to have reasons to go there beyond just consuming things.